Now, after learning the relation between all these units, now I want to show you something different. Look at your scale. Can you see my scale? Everyone know your scale? In the scale, you can see the small lines are there. Can you see? Small lines, and in my scale, can you see at the beginning there is written cm? You already know cm stands for centimeter. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the centimeter. Okay, these are the length of the centimeter. So you can understand centimeter how much. And small lines, can you see that small lines? Small line represent millimeter. So gap between every small line, that is represent millimeter. Okay, and then you can ask me, ma'am, how much is 1 meter? 1 meter. 1 meter, suppose your study table. Study table length is 1 meter approximate, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then you can understand 1 kilometer is very big. Okay, now come to the chapter again. So by seeing the scale, now you can realize that millimeter is very small and centimeter is bigger than millimeter, and meter is bigger than centimeter, and kilometer is very big. Next, come to the rules of conversion. Rules of conversion. If we want to change higher units to lower unit, that means higher unit. Highest unit I already said, kilometer is the highest unit. Next is meter, then centimeter, last is millimeter. So higher to lower, that means suppose you want to convert kilometer to meter, then higher to lower will multiply. Clear? And just vice versa, because lower unit to higher unit. Lower unit, that means smallest unit, millimeter. Smallest unit to higher unit. Millimeter to meter, or millimeter to centimeter, or meter to kilometer. If you want to convert, then what to do? It is division. Understood? So up to this is clear to all. Next, come to your book. Let's have some fun. Now look at your book, page number 153. All of you be ready with a book and pencil. I will explain and you will put circle in your book. Okay, so let's do work with me. Let's start. 153 page. Circle the best estimate. That means which is the correct unit. According to that, we will put circle. First is done already in your book. Look at the question. Height of a refrigerator. Refrigerator, all of you know refrigerator. Now, height of a refrigerator. 2 kilometer, 2 meter, 2 centimeter and 2 millimeter. I already show you 2 millimeter. How much? 2 millimeter is very small. 2 centimeter is bigger than 2 millimeter, but it cannot be the length of the refrigerator. And 2 kilometer. Kilometer is very big, I told you. So 2 kilometer also can't be. So 2 meter is the correct answer. it is already circled, nothing to do. Next question, length of a bug. Length of a bug. Bug is a very small insect. So, small, I already said small insect. So, small unit we will choose. Okay. So, what is the correct answer? 25 millimeter, 25 kilometer, 25 meter, 25 centimeter. So, smallest one we will choose. Millimeter is the smallest unit. So, 25 millimeter is the correct answer. Circle 25 millimeter. Next, length of a guitar. Length of a guitar. You know the guitar. Must sing guitar in the television or at your home. So, which is the correct unit? 1 meter, 1 kilometer, 1 meter, 1 centimeter. Correct unit is 1 meter. Circle 1 meter. Just like this, length of a river. River is very big. So always we will choose the biggest unit. So 120 kilometer. Not millimeter, not centimeter, not meter. 120 kilometer is the correct unit. Correct answer. Last, height at which an aeroplane flies. Aeroplane flies at which height? That we have to find out. Aeroplane fly always at a very high altitude, and so height must be very high. So we'll choose the highest unit. What is the highest unit? Kilometer. So 10 kilometer is the correct answer. Okay. Next questions in your book. Can you see? Tick the letter. Tick the letter in each of the following. Which best represent the length or height? That we have to find out. Tick the letter in each of the following. So here we will put tick mark. Now first question, can you see? First question, here is a picture of a mango. Mango. What is the length of a mango? Options are here. Mango 5 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 1 meter. It is 5 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 15 centimeter or 1 meter. Which is the correct option? I hope you understood it is 5 centimeter. Next, milk packet. Milk packet, can you see in your book? Milk packet, what is the height of the milk packet? Height of the milk packet, 3 centimeter is very small, can't be. 1 meter is very big. 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is also not possible. 10 centimeter is, I am showing you in scale. 10 centimeter is this much only. This much only in your scale. So it is not possible. So 30 centimeter is the correct answer. Like this, notebook paper, you will find out which is the correct answer. 25 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 15 centimeter or 1 meter. Which is the correct answer? Notebook, 25 centimeter will be the correct answer. Giraffe. Look at giraffe. You know giraffe is very tall. So, what unit will be perfect? Millimeter? No, millimeter is very small unit. Kilometer is very big. No, it can't be. So, meter or 45 centimeter. Centimeter is not possible. So, 4 meter is the correct answer. Now come, look at the marker pen. You know the marker pen? It is same size as a pen. Pen, how much? It is 60 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 6 centimeter or 30 centimeter. I think 15 centimeter is the correct answer. This is the scale. Full length of the scale is 12 centimeter. So 15 centimeter, 12, no sorry, it is 15 centimeter. Scale, my scale is 15 centimeter. So pen is same as a scale. So 15 centimeter is the correct answer. Last is Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel is very big. In the fair, you must see the Ferris wheel. It's very big something. So look at the units. Centimeter cannot be possible. Next, 50 kilometer. It is too much. No, it can't be. Next is 23 meter. Yes, 23 meter. And 5 meter. 5 meter. No, it's not possible. So answer is 23 meter. So this is the how to use the units in different cases according to the length or height that we discussed. I hope you all understood. Thank you.